Did you know that if you put one grated carrot in the frying pan with green parsley, pepper, salt to taste, mix everything in oil, fry it very well, you will have the best recipe of your life. In another bowl, let's put 3 eggs, a good pinch of salt, paprika, black pepper, a cup of milk, and let's mix everything until it's all homogeneous. Here the idea is to put your favorite seasons, okay? Add half a cup of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix everything until it's all homogeneous again. Then let's add grated cheese. You can add the amount you want, and all of the grated carrot with the pepper that we have just fried. Put a lot of oil, guys, and mix it all again, okay? Now, folks, we are going to grease a pizza form, as you can see, okay? And then let's pour all of the mixture inside of this form, like this, as you can see on the video. Now let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. But it will depend on your oven, okay? So keep an eye on it. So I put some mozzarella on top of it here. And I put it again in the oven just so the cheese could be melted. And this is our healthy pizza, guys. Seriously, it's wonderful. You can also put chicken if you want to. You can fill it the way you prefer because the batter is healthier, okay? The filling is what you prefer. And guys, this recipe is amazing, seriously. If you tell someone that tastes it that it's made with these ingredients, they won't believe it. It's super tasty, very fluffy. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. Just look at it very closely, how it is fluffy, guys. It's giving me water in my mouth, seriously. And if you make it at your house, you have to come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Knowing your opinion is super important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. And don't forget to tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. We love to know how far it can get. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with this image right now. See you guys on the next video. Bye.